Hello, everybody. You've probably heard the famous quote that goes, "There are more things in heaven and earth, Horatio, than are dreamt of in your philosophy." There is a lot of truth in these words, and the scientific community keeps proving them right time and again. In today's video, we are going to talk about 10 new animal species discovered this year. Do remember to stay till the end because we have saved the best for last. So let us begin. Number 10. Fanged frog. First up, we have the recently discovered fanged frog, which has left scientists scratching their heads. This peculiar creature with fangs protruding from its upper jaw was found hiding under leaves and logs in the moss of the forest floor. It belongs to the family of narrow-mouthed toads and is named Phrynippus corniculus. What sets it apart from other frogs is its unique feeding mechanism. It uses its long, sticky tongue to catch insects like a chameleon. And get this, its fangs help to hold on to slippery prey. Researchers were so surprised by this discovery that they had to rely on X-rays to confirm the presence of fangs. These amphibians typically camouflage themselves with the forest floor and use their big eyes to spot beetles and ants which they slurp up. These little predators can be found in the cloud forests of the Andes Mountains in northern Peru. They prefer moist environments and have even been spotted near fast-flowing streams. The good news is that they don't pose any threat to humans. Now that we know more about them, we can work towards protecting these amazing creatures. 9. The peacock mantis shrimp. We are sure that you must have heard of mantis shrimps before, but have you ever come across the peacock mantis shrimp? Well, this one is known to be among the most beautiful and colorful animals in the ocean. But do not be fooled by its looks. It is also one of the most ferocious predators out there. It is called a peacock mantis shrimp because of its gorgeous display of color and its ability to perform a remarkable trick of flashing its brilliant hues to attract mates. Apart from being a great seducer, it is also a vicious hunter. It is capable of killing prey and crushing hard shells with its powerful punch. In fact, it hits its target at an astonishing speed of 50 miles per hour. As far as its size is concerned, it can grow up to 18 inches long. It can be found in coral reefs and rocky areas of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Also, they are mostly active during the day. Like other mantis shrimps, they are omnivores and eat almost anything that comes their way. Their diet includes snails, crabs, fish eggs, small fish, and even other sea creatures. Some people believe that they can see ultraviolet light, and others say they can see infrared light. However, scientists are still debating the issue. Number 8. Pink fairy armadillo. If you thought that armadillos could not get any cuter, then you were wrong. Just take a look at this adorable pink fairy armadillo. The newly discovered species is quite small, measuring around 5 inches long. That's about the size of a teacup. Not only is it extremely cute, but it is also very rare. Only 2 of them have been found so far, and both of them were males. These specimens were discovered in northeastern Argentina. They were first spotted by a local farmer who informed researchers about his sighting. At first, scientists thought that it was some kind of a mutant creature. After all, an armadillo with a pink body is something that you don't come across every day. Later, after conducting various tests and examinations, they confirmed that it was a new species. It is believed that there are only a few of these creatures left in the world. They are nocturnal and feed on small invertebrates. As of now, they are not considered to be endangered. However, due to the destruction of habitats, it is possible that they might become extinct soon. No. 7. The cave dragonfish. Dragons might seem like mythical creatures, but here is one that actually exists. Meet the cave dragonfish. Its elongated jaws with sharp teeth make it look like a fearsome beast. It was found in the dark depths of the Indian Ocean near Indonesia. This dragonfish is actually a type of anglerfish. And like other members of its family, it has a glowing appendage above its head. This appendage is used to lure prey. When the dragonfish swims through the darkness, its light attracts tiny fish, which get trapped in its huge mouth. The cave dragonfish is a very strange creature. It has no pigmentation and translucent flesh. It also has huge eyes and a large mouth. Scientists believe that the dragonfish lives deep inside caves in the ocean floor. Until recently, it was assumed that life could not exist in such extreme conditions. However, this discovery has proven those assumptions wrong. It is believed that the dragonfish is able to survive in the dark depths because of its special adaptations. It has special cells that convert the light waves into electrical signals. This allows the dragonfish to navigate and find food. It is truly amazing to see how animals adapt to different environments. Number 6. Rainbow jellyfish. The rainbow jellyfish is a beautiful creature that lives in the warm waters of the Pacific Ocean. It gets its name from its bright, rainbow-like tentacles. These tentacles are used for defense as well as for capturing prey. The jellyfish is also known for its bioluminescence, which means that it can produce its own light. This light is a beautiful blue color and can be seen when the jellyfish is disturbed. The rainbow jellyfish is a relatively small creature, usually only growing to be about an inch in diameter. Despite its small size, it is a voracious predator and feeds on plankton and other small fish. The rainbow jellyfish is also known for its short lifespan. Most of them only live for a few days, but some can live for up to a year. It is a very fragile creature and is easily killed by changes in temperature or salinity. Rainbow jellyfish are often seen in large groups and can form blooms that cover the surface of the water. These blooms are a popular tourist attraction and are often the subject of beautiful photographs and videos. No. 5. The giant millipede. If you are afraid of creepy crawlies, then you should definitely skip this one. Meet the giant millipede. It is one of the largest creatures of its kind in the world. It can grow up to 3 feet long and has more than 100 legs. Can you imagine? It was discovered in the jungles of Thailand and belongs to the family of Spirobolidae. Just like other millipedes, it is a detritivore and feeds on dead and decaying plant matter. It is also a very important part of the ecosystem, as it helps to break down organic matter and recycle nutrients. The giant millipede is a very slow-moving creature and can be easily stepped on by humans. It is also very sensitive to changes in its environment and is easily killed by pesticides and other pollutants. The giant millipede is a very fascinating creature and is a reminder of the many amazing animals that live in our world. It is also a warning to humans that we should be careful of the damage we cause to the environment. Number 4. Glass octopus. The glass octopus is a rare deep-sea creature that is sometimes seen floating near the surface of the water. It is a very strange-looking animal with a transparent head and a mantle. This makes it very easy to see its internal organs, including its brain and heart. The glass octopus is a very small creature, usually only growing to be about 2 inches long. It is a very elusive animal and is rarely seen by humans. It lives in the deep waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans and is thought to be related to the blue-ringed octopus. The glass octopus is a very venomous creature, and its bite can be fatal to humans. However, it is very shy and will only bite if it feels threatened. The glass octopus is a very intelligent creature and is capable of solving complex puzzles. It is also very curious and has been known to investigate objects that enter its habitat. The glass octopus is a very unique and amazing creature that is a reminder of the many wonders that still exist in our world. Number 3. Lizardfish. The lizardfish is a strange-looking fish that lives in the deep waters of the ocean. It is a very elusive creature and is rarely seen by humans. However, it has recently been captured on camera by deep-sea fishermen. The lizardfish has a very distinctive appearance with a long, slender body and a large head. It has sharp teeth and a gaping mouth that gives it a rather fearsome appearance. Despite its scary looks, the lizardfish is a very gentle creature and poses no threat to humans. The lizardfish is a very unique and amazing creature that is a reminder of the many wonders that still exist in our world. No. 2. White form of the Goliath bird-eater. Fun fact, did you know that there is a white form of the Goliath bird-eater spider? Yes, you heard that right. The Goliath bird-eater is already a huge spider, and the biggest in the world in fact, so naturally, its white form is exceptionally rare. The white form of the Goliath bird-eater was first discovered in the early 1900s, and since then only a few specimens have been found. The spider is believed to be an albino, which is why it has such a pale coloration. Despite its size, the Goliath bird-eater is not considered to be a dangerous spider. It is not known to attack humans unless provoked. However, its bite can be painful and may cause some swelling. The spider is also a very efficient hunter and is able to capture large birds which it wraps in a sticky web. The Goliath bird-eater is a very unique and amazing creature that is a reminder of the many wonders that still exist in our world. Number 1. Goblin shark. Last but certainly not least, we have the goblin shark. It is a very rare creature that lives in the deep waters of the ocean. It It is a very elusive creature and is rarely seen by humans. However, it has recently been captured on camera by deep-sea fishermen. The goblin shark has a very distinctive appearance with a long, slender body and a large head. It has sharp teeth and a gaping mouth that gives it a rather fearsome appearance. Despite its scary looks, the goblin shark is a very gentle creature and poses no threat to humans. The goblin shark is a very unique and amazing creature that is a reminder of the many wonders that still exist in our world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. We'd love to have you back for more fun animal videos. And if you're feeling extra generous, please consider supporting us. Your support helps us make even better videos for you to enjoy. So once again, thank you for watching. See you next time.